This is a test of the emergency alert system. The Indian Point sirens in Westchester, Rockland, Putnam, and Orange counties were just test sounded for 4 minutes. This is just a test. There is no emergency at this time. If there were an emergency at the nuclear power plant, officials would sound the sirens at full volume for 4 minutes, followed by an activation of this emergency alert system to broadcast important information and directions to the public. The sirens are not a signal to evacuate. They're intended to alert the public to tune into this or other EAS radio or television stations for important information and instructions. There is no emergency. No action by the public is necessary. This is only a test.